My husband and I got our auto insurance renewal notices in the mail the other day. When we opened it, we had a serious shock. It stated both our premiums are going up. Mine from $129 up to $288, and my husband from $131 to $296. At first I said to myself that there's no way the increase can be that huge. Why? This is just theft. So, I called my provider to see what was going on. A good 12 minutes before I was connected to an agent, I said over the phone what had happened, that both our premiums shot up drastically, and asked if why and if she can help me look into it, since we never even had any tickets, accidents, or DUIs in the past 20 years. And without a beat, she stops me and says, "Well, it's not happening to you only. It's happening to everyone across the state, and you're probably the 7th person I spoke to today calling to complain about their increases." So I asked her, if it's happening to everyone, then why are the increases so big this year? Even if we never had any accidents or tickets, it just doesn't make sense. I mean, the greedy insurance industry can't just increase our rates anytime they want. It's just not right. So, I tried to reason with her. She then rudely responds, as if I offended her. "Well, in case you haven't noticed, there's something called inflation. We can care less if you've gotten into any accidents or not. At the end of the day, we have a business to run, and if that's everything, I'm going to hang up now." And hangs up on me. And at this point, I was furious. I was ready to cancel both our policies, but couldn't. I mean, we still needed a car to get to work, right? We still have bills to pay. So instead, we ended up canceling only my husband's policy so it wouldn't be so expensive. And for the next 3 weeks, I ended up driving him to work on a daily basis, barely making it on time to work myself since we worked in the opposite direction. Anyways, I got to work late the other day and my boss found out and pulled me into his office. And I have to admit, I thought I was going to be fired at first. But then he asked me, "Why are you coming to work later and later?" So, I told him about the situation with my insurance, how dramatically the greedy insurance companies are raising my rates, and how we have to share a car now because we just couldn't afford the increases. He then laughs at me and says, "Because you're speaking to the wrong people?" The wrong people? He then goes on bragging about his own insurance for his brand new 2024 BMW. How he used to pay $216 per month to now only $58 per month. When he told me, I was shocked. I mean, how on earth is he only paying $58 a month? So I asked him, and he starts telling me about this comparison site he uses to get the best rates. He said the comparison site uses artificial intelligence to scrape the web for the best quotes. That way, big insurance companies can't take advantage of you and overcharge you. This made sense. Excited, I took my phone and got on the site right after I left his office. And I have to say, it sounded too good to be true at first. So, I took some time to really think about it, but I soon realized it's only a quote. If I don't like the quote, I just won't go with them. What is there to even lose? So I entered a few basic details and got connected with a representative. A few minutes, I managed to drop my rate from $127 per month to $37 per month. With the exact same coverage, I was shocked. And at first, I thought I just got lucky. So, when I got home, I tried it on my husband's car as well. And to my surprise, I managed to drop his premium as well. The best part is, we no longer have to share cars anymore. We no longer have to stress about how expensive everything is just to save a few dollars. I wanted to spread the word because the site helped relieve a ton of stress for me, so I left the site here for you. So, if you're paying more than $50 per month for your premium, tap the link below and see how much you could save today.